Hello children, today I am going to teach this GK subject. Lesson number 8, Recreation while camping. Camping is fun. Given below are pictures, some activities that are done while camping. Look at the pictures and read the hints to the name of the activities, and you maybe use the help boxes here. Understood children? Camping means sometime we are going outside without preparation. Sometime we are going with our friends or a family. That time what problem you are facing and what you are enjoying, what you are doing there, what are the memories you are collecting. All that we are getting information through these pictures. See here, singing and dancing around the bonfire. Now here fire is here. That time when you are going in the winter season outside, that time you are collecting some sticks and burning, and all together you are sitting around together you are sitting in this fire, and sometime you are dancing and enjoying. This is called campfire. What is this? Campfire. Next, climbing hills or mountains. Hills or mountains, when you are going with your parents or anyone, that time you are climbing hills or mountains. It is very fun. Sometimes you are getting tired, but this you are enjoying. Yes or no? This is called trekking. What is this? Trekking. Next, preparing delicious dishes on fire. Nowadays you are preparing all the food in your kitchen on the gas. Yes or no? Now here no gases are available. That time what you are doing? You are collecting some sticks and some things, and you are putting fire, and then you are cooking like this type on the fire. This is called outdoor cooking. What is this? Outdoor cooking. Next, exercising in the pollution free environment. In the morning or in the morning, or sometime you are getting, when you are getting free, that time on open ground in the free polluted environment, good environment, there you are doing this exercise are called doing yoga. What is this? Doing yoga. So right here, doing yoga. Learning to climb up a high. That is very fun to climb up the tree. It is not easy also. So you can try to climb the small trees first. Afterwards, when some people are climbing easily, they are having practice. That's why they are climbing easily. No, it is not possible to small children to climb the trees if you are not having any practice. So see here, climbing tree. What is this picture? Climbing tree. Next, watching and enjoying nature around us. When you are going to field, any field, there are greenery everywhere and some flowers we can see on the field. That time what you are doing? You are enjoying. There is wind is very nicely blowing, and that time what you are doing? Exploring nature. What is this? Exploring nature. What is this? Exploring nature means enjoying that nature scene. Next, developing a new hobby. What he is doing? He is collecting shells and stones. When you are going to beach, सेल्स बोले तो सिंपली वो कलेक्ट करते. Where you are collecting these all the shells and pebbles like a stones, small stones are very nice. That stones we can't see in our surrounding. When you are going to beach, there beach we can see the some scratches, shells and stones. That collecting is very good hobbies. So he is collecting the some cells and stones. Next, capturing the natural beauty. When you are going in open environment, that time we can see the many different kinds of trees, birds and flowers that we can see. But what you are doing that time, you are enjoying that all the sceneries and you want to capture in your camera. That's why you are taking this photography. What is called this photography? What is this photography? Understood, children? Campfire, trekking, outdoor cooking, doing yoga, climbing tree, exploring nature, collecting cells and stones, photography. This you understood, and complete this. Send your homework back to me.